Morning, Rajesh here. Today is quite a busy day and I'm currently getting ready for my daily meeting. In case you're not familiar with it, this is a daily team gathering where everyone in the team has the opportunity to share updates, discuss progress and address any challenges or roadblocks. These daily meetings are a crucial component of our agile development process, which places a strong emphasis on flexibility, collaboration and customer satisfaction. I'll continue working on this one, but it was pretty fun, pretty interesting. You too, bye bye. Now that the meeting is over, it's time to play with our little tiger. She's quite the character and absolutely hates it when I touch her head. Now, do you notice anything new on the desk? Let me give you a hint. Allow me to introduce you the Carpio 2.0, an over-engineered wrist rest. But before I delve into the details, let's take a trip back in time to show you the unboxing. By the way, this is my first collaboration, and I genuinely appreciate that the folks at Delta Hub took a chance on me. Right off the bat, I really liked the attention to detail. The box feels premium and provides all the necessary information without cluttering the design. Oh, and it also opens in a really cool way. Inside you'll find the Carpio, which maintains the same premium feel. A nice soft baggie that you can use when you need to go mobile. And the sticker. I love stickers. And this is how you use it. So, I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and after the initial adjustment period, I must say it feels really weird and uncomfortable if I don't use it. The idea behind it is to lift and support your wrist, so it's level with the rest of the hand, while providing a soft cushion. You might find the shape pretty unusual, but it's backed by medical experts, a lot of 3D scans of hand molds, and they even conducted MRI scans of the hand. Also, a little bird told me that their Black Friday sale is about to start on the 15th of November and will last all the way to Cyber Monday. So, what am I working on here? Well, I'm pretty new to Angular and it's giving me a run for my money. One thing I've noticed while working in Visual Studio Code is that it doesn't offer the convenience of jumping directly to the implementation of a method call from an HTML file. This is a feature I got used to while working in Visual Studio with Blazor, and I find myself missing it. If you're an Angular Pro or have any nifty Visual Studio Code tips and extensions to share, feel free to enlighten me. Okay, I'm getting pretty hungry, so let's cook. Pro tip, if you find your cutting board moving, just place a wet paper towel under it and now it should be solid. Today we're keeping it simple, grilled chicken and a fresh salad. While our delicious meal is cooking, let's dive into a not so simple topic. Asynchronism. Think of asynchronism like a cooking process of its own. Just as we can multitask in the kitchen, asynchronous operations enable our code to continue running while it waits for specific tasks to finish. It's a fundamental programming concept, crucial for smooth application operation. Without asynchronism, it's like waiting for the chicken to cook before even starting working on the salad. Not the most efficient approach. Oh, and let's not forget our toasted tortilla. After lunch, it's back to work. I've successfully got the code I was working on up and running. Now it's time to put it through rigorous testing to ensure that it behaves as expected. This scenario reminds me of a rule present in a book I'm currently reading, called The Pragmatic Programmer. The rule states that you should not live with broken windows. One broken window, left unrepaired for any substantial length of time, instills in the inhabitants of the building a sense of abandonment, a sense that the powers that be don't care about the building. So another window gets broken. People start littering. Graffiti appears. Serious structural damage begins. In a relatively short span of time, the building becomes damaged beyond the owner's desire to fix it, and the sense of abandonment becomes reality. In essence, the don't live with broken windows rule encourages developers to maintain a high level of code quality and fix issues as they arise, rather than letting them linger and potentially create more significant problems. It's a practice that promotes a clean, efficient, and maintainable codebase. Work for today is winding down, and at this point I'm creating a brief plan for the upcoming day. I try to do this as often as possible, ensuring that I have a clear idea of what to focus on when I start working the following day. After finishing work, it's time to get my hands dirty as I need to repot my beloved plant. But before I start, I'll lay down this plastic bag that will surely avoid making a mess. Taking moments like these to disconnect and engage in hands-on activities is truly essential. It's a simple yet fulfilling task, and it's a way for me to unwind and clear my mind. It's amazing how nurturing a plant can teach you patience and attentiveness, qualities that are valuable not just in gardening, but in coding as well. It's a reminder that the balance between work and relaxation is crucial for overall well-being. And besides, it's always nice to have a touch of greenery in your workspace. That's it for today. Like and subscribe if you like sushi. Radesh out.